Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Yes, today we are gonna do the makeup challenge to 5 minutes. And guys, we can hardly do my makeup much less. We do a challenge in a 5 minutes. But just keep it simple. You know me always hot, so none of makeup now. Yeah. So you need to put the timer right here so that we can see it. My niece gonna start the timer.
Hi guys, my name is Mary and I'm going to be doing the makeup
5 minute makeup
5
challenge.
minute makeup challenge.
Tell me when we start.
Alright, start now. Good stills. Just do something.
Right, take time on them then, oh man. Yeah, and no look too bad. Oh guys, the glass are behind the camera, so that's where I look funny. What do you think, guys? Oh, we have already. Yeah, stop laughing. Maybe a joke.
You good, girl.
Yeah, girl, I rub up here, girl. Mind shop, yeah, best looking one out there.
Come on.
3 minutes 50 to go.
Guys, my sister always says she can't do makeup come like she'll be the best one.
Yeah, look how she
Yeah,
fine now. One the eyes, God, man. One
Mary.
eyebrow, eyes, do it.
Me
And
never
she can
know.
do her things still. We don't have to tell her if you do. Oh. See, you feel like me all of them. Hey girl, stop laughing.
No, sir.
I think that bad one, man. You try come out if you are gonna laugh. Guys, still have to come out, car.
This need crowd.
Oh yeah, I should have taken out my eyeshadow in Jesus. I'll take my time, fam.
2 minutes.
What? What do you think, Brittany? You look so fine. Hey, wicked girl.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? Underneath the eyebrow. Yes.
On her eyelid.
Yeah man, from my eyelid too. Or you
What
can't.
is getting us with?
Yeah.
Hold on. Next time go up for my sister, you know. Let me see time, man. You have plenty minutes, man, my sister.
What?
You have plenty.
20 minutes?
Yes.
Okay. Oh my god. Or you know what I'm saying? All the way to go. It look good so far.
So you put an eyeshadow on.
Yeah man.
Chloe girl, make a girl do what she a do.
Alright, do the other side.
Mm.
5 minutes and a long time.
Well, it look like Mary time I was slow.
Don't!
Pretend I look good color, you know what I'm saying? Yeah man.
My girl, with your lipstick there, why you feel like you things them like this?
You have to get an eyeball. so I shot a quick girl for 30 seconds.
Lipstick there. Lipstick. Yeah, man. Now what is no?
Put that down now. Yes, go take our picture. Yeah, good. Yeah. Yes.
Alright guys, hi guys. So as you guys know, it's the makeup challenge time. I'll be getting my stuff ready for this 5 minutes that my sister will be timing me for. She want to make water out of wine and cut it down from 10 to 5, but gonna make it work, you know what I'm saying? So let's start. Are you ready?
You ready for my timer?
No, but
Oh, you know.
Jesus.
Alright.
3,
2,
1, go. Okay, guys. You know, it's your girl, Native Van. We're gonna try out to see another camera now so we can swim me out about the 5 minutes start already. So, alright. Oh, wow. Oh, gosh, in front of me.
Guys, we can't do it because guess what? So when I do my makeup, look how my nose lean. Make a broad nose and
And I didn't go get conceal. Alright, 1 eyebrow, 2 eyebrow.
Alright, move look faster. Move with the pace.
Nobody attractive.
Guys, we probably not go to foundation because foundation we have to mix it and then that will cause too much problem and mess up in 5 minutes. So here we Now do this real.
I'm gonna slow me down.
Yeah, for one, yeah. 3:42. How many times I put that move slow down for?
No matter really. Guys, me extra and I'm more my lashes them, but why? You come like me, I go get lash much less. But me look good so far. No joke about it.
Let's see the margin me look after this.
3 minutes 20.
3 minutes 20. Wait, look up. Guys, a mad girl challenge this. That's what me look like when this done. Alright. Me work with them.
But the hair is so fun.
Exactly. If me have something up in my face, I would do my eyebrow better. But this is how I got to do it, you know what I'm saying? Because my sister doesn't want me to do it any other way. That's how the colors, guys.
Jesus Christ.
Come again, pull it again.
What? No, when we pull it, that take 10 more
Oh,
time.
well, it's nice when it finishes.
Ah. Time already come out there. I'm not able. Put on. Yes, guys, you know me done. My blood clean.
smiling, girl.
See my makeup come out. When you don't make me see that go come out.
Alright, later, baby.
Alright, Farid.
Guys, we done.
You done before time? You sure time to done?
I don't see I can cash out my house. Why?
No, it's on the glue for the moon.
What? My gosh, Jesus, my nerves.
Come pull up one.
Wait, I wanna to glue, man. Guys, you know what we did? The glue gonna take long, so I'm done. See, I have 6 seconds. I'm gonna see it on the screen, man.
I'm upset. No, me gonna pull it.
I'll come and take a picture.
Thank you guys for watching. No, no, I'm here the number 1 here. 5 minutes. I'm gonna look at so I'm gonna act before the video. Yeah. Thank you guys for watching.
Please like, subscribe.
And click on the notification bell. Welcome to the family if you're new. Check out Name Divine and Flavorful's Adventure. Love you guys.